Hi.
What are you,
What? I'm recording your morning hungry grouchies.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Oh, it's so gray and ugly over here. And then so nice and blue.
This is why you live on the west side.
Nemo.
Why would you stop right there? Why would you stop right there? Why would you stop right there?
Why would you stop right there?
Why would you stop
Why would you stop right there?
Why would you stop right there?
Why would you stop right there?
Why would you stop right there? Your friendly neighborhood Zippies. So fatso.
You have the same amount of food as I do.
No, I don't. Is that fried rice? I love Zippy's fried rice.
Sports Authority. Just for fun, because she don't play sports.
What? Who needs sports? We should. Fuck. Is there like any super cheap ones?
Push me.
What?
Not backwards.
And let my ride. I'm not old.
That's what I said. It doesn't say anything about
It says
big people.
meant for use for little kids. This is kind of hurting my back.
Well, it's made for small kids, not big kids.
Beep, 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 beep.
It doesn't
Beep, 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 beep. Oh.
Hi. See if anyone's coming.
Target kind of sucks. Beep, 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 beep. If any of you guys work at Target, your store is not fun.
Waiting for this person to see and wave back.
She's like, Mom, this girl's waving at me.
You tell them.
I want to beat my horn at these people so badly. I want to beat my horn at these people because they're driving so slow. They're driving the speed limit 30. I'm going 30 right now and speed limit's 35.
Turn slower. Holy shit. Oh my god. Stop.
What up? We're at the beach, bitch. It's a nice day today.
Very pretty day.
She wants a hug from me. She can come get it in Tahiti, 'cause she is the one for me. And I can go get her in Hawaii, but could she meet me halfway?